Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a real quick video, also an unboxing. So let's just get started. Alright, first of all, I'm going to start with the unboxing. It's going to be of this Genesee Carbonio 360 Lite with a 1.2 tip and with the MP air cap. This is a clear gun, and I got this gun from Motivated Painters. Purchased this gun from Motivated Painters. Guys, if you've never seen Motivated Painters, got a real nice YouTube channel. I'm going to leave all the information in the description below to his YouTube page, also to his store. He sells all these guns, very reasonable price. Let me show you what's inside. Alright guys, right off the bat, once you open the case, you're going to have your cup right there. You're going to have your manuals, your wrench so that you can disassemble. It also comes, a lot of people have been asking me where I got this from. It also comes with this, which is real nice to have that paint dry a lot quicker. Alright, you've seen me using in a couple of videos. This is where I got it from Motivated Painters. It does come with a regulator. I'll show you the rest of the part right there. And the clear gun. There it is. Motivated Painters has all its logos there. Real nice. And it does come with the MP air cap. Right there, which is for clear. This is a clear gun, and you can't go wrong with Walcom, guys. You've seen me use this gun, well, not this one, but the base gun several times in my videos. I love this gun, one of my best guns that I have ever used. And now I have the clear gun right there. Alright, when you open the cup, it does come with extra seals, which you are not going to need if you keep your guns clean. Because it comes with a little brush to clean it, some oil, so you can lubricate the gun. And the other part of the regulator right there. Real nice. This is it detaches from this part, which is super good right there. Motivated Painters, real nice. And this is it, guys. This is all that's included on the package. Real good pricing. So go down on the link below so that you can get yourself one. You're not gonna be disappointed. These guns, like I mentioned, are one of my favorite guns out there. Alright, and that's a little quick unboxing of the Genesee Carbonio 360 Lite from the company Walcom and Motivated Painters. Guys, let's talk a little bit about this lowrider. This lowrider is going to get something a little bit different this time around. Just stick around so you can see what it is. I'm going to show you how to sand all this. If you can see, there's a lot of, you can actually hear it. There's a lot of rough surface because of the metal flake. I'm going to show you how to take care of that to have a real nice smooth finish for that candy that's going to be going on top of this. I'm going to be showing you that in the following videos. Stay tuned for that. Guys, also subscribe to the channel. Hit that thumbs up. It helps a lot. You don't want to miss any of this content. I'm giving you a lot of different content in this channel, so I really appreciate it if you can just subscribe. That's it. It doesn't cost you anything. Just subscribe to the channel so that you can see all this free content. Alright, another thing is I do have an Instagram page. I'm gonna leave everything on the description below to my Instagram page, and so that you can follow me. Usually I put little stuff that's gonna be happening before I even show you on YouTube. So go ahead and subscribe to my Instagram. Also, guys, I do have a Cash App account, a PayPal account. You're going to want to help out the channel so that I can keep on giving you this content. Hey, go right ahead. You do not have to. I'm not obligating anybody. This is free content. But sometimes people, hey, they want to say thank you for the content that I'm giving you guys. So there it is, and that's it. This will be it for this video. Hope you guys are enjoying these type of videos, something different. There's not a lot of people that are doing these kind of jobs, full show car finish, and I'm going to show you every single little step as to how much it takes to get a show car finish. All right, this car is going to car shows, and it is going to a bunch of other tournaments. So they do want this car perfectly, and that's what's going to be given to the customer. All right, thank you. Like always, guys, God bless.